Mia, why is your backpack so big and heavy today? Are you carrying heavy rocks in there?
No, Ryan. I packed 5 big bags of potato chips for our walk in the city park.
5 bags of chips? That is too many chips, Mia. We need real food like turkey sandwiches and fresh red apples.
Fine, fine. But potato chips make every sunny afternoon much better.
Well, today is a beautiful day outdoors. The sun is bright, the sky is blue, and the grass is fresh and green.
Yes, today we are learning 6 easy English phrases for a fun afternoon outside with your friends.
That is right. Our hero phrase for today's episode is pick a spot.
Pick a spot. It means to choose a good place to sit, rest, or stay.
We also have 5 other great phrases. Lay out a blanket, sit in the shade, blow away, come over, and share a snack.
You will also hear a funny story about a dog at the park and a fun fact about picnics.
I love fun facts. Let's get started right now.
So, Ryan, did you go outdoors last weekend?
I did. I went to the city park on Saturday afternoon with my good friend Leo.
Nice. Did you two have a good time together?
Well, it was very fun, but we had a few funny little accidents along the way.
Oh no, tell me everything.
Okay. First, we walked into the park carrying a large green bag and a bright yellow picnic blanket.
A bright yellow blanket sounds so pretty on the green grass.
It really was. We walked near the small pond and looked around the grass to pick a spot.
Did you pick a spot right near the water?
We did. We found a nice flat place in the middle of the grass and decided to pick a spot right there. But after 5 minutes, the hot sun was right above us. My face was red and my arms were sweating.
Ouch! Direct sunlight on a hot afternoon can be super hot.
Exactly. So Leo looked at me and said, "It is too hot here. We need to pick a spot under that big tree."
Ah, that was a smart decision.
Yes, so we picked up our bags, walked over to the big tree, and got ready to sit in the shade.
Sit in the shade. That is our third phrase today.
Yes, sit in the shade means to sit under a tree, a roof, or an umbrella where the sun does not shine directly on you.
Ah, sitting in the shade is always much cooler and more comfortable on a hot day.
It really was. We sat down on the soft grass under the leaves and I took out 2 turkey sandwiches from my bag. But then a strong wind blew across the park.
Oh no! What happened when the wind came?
All our white paper napkins started to blow away across the grass.
Blow away. That means to be carried away through the air by the wind.
Yes, paper napkins are light, so they blow away fast when the wind blows. I stood up quickly and ran after them.
Were you fast enough to catch them all?
I tried, but while I was running, a cute little brown dog saw our sandwiches sitting alone on the blanket.
Oh my goodness. Did the dog try to eat your lunch?
He happily moved his tail and started to come over to our yellow blanket.
Come over, that means to walk, run, or move toward a person or a place.
Right, the friendly dog wanted to come over and smell the turkey sandwiches. He looked very excited.
Dogs always love free food at the park.
Luckily, a nice family sitting nearby saw the dog and helped us right away. A little boy ran fast and picked up the paper napkins that were blowing away from me.
Wow, what a kind family.
Yes, and the boy's mother called the brown dog back. To say thank you, Leo and I opened our fruit container. We decided to share a snack with the family.
Share a snack. That means to eat small pieces of food, like fruit or cookies, together with other people.
Exactly. We gave the kids red apples and sweet watermelon slices. We all sat together on the grass and talked happily for a long time.
That is such a nice ending. A little wind and a friendly dog helped you make new friends.
It really did. And speaking of picnics, did you know an interesting fact from long ago about them, Mia?
No, tell me, what is the fun fact?
Long ago in Europe, hundreds of years ago, the word picnic did not mean eating outside on the grass at all.
Really? What did the word mean back then?
In the past, it meant a private indoor dinner party where every guest brought one dish of food to share. People only started having picnics outdoors on the grass much later.
Wow, I did not know that. An indoor party where everyone brings food sounds very fun too.
It does, but I still prefer a sunny park with green grass and fresh air.
Ryan, that story was so clear and easy to picture. Now, let me ask about these 6 phrases so our listeners can practice them.
Sounds great. Let's start again with our hero phrase, pick a spot.
Whenever you go to a park, a beach, or a cinema, you need to pick a spot. Again, it means to choose a good place to sit down or stay.
Yes. For example, when I go to a quiet library, I always pick a spot near a big window because I like the sunlight.
That is a nice habit. How do you pick a spot when you go to a crowded city park on the weekend?
I look for 3 simple things. First, soft, dry grass. Second, a place far from noisy trash cans. Third, a big tree so I can pick a spot in the cool shade.
Great rules. And after you pick a spot on the grass, what is your next step?
Next, you lay out a blanket.
Lay out a blanket. Let's explain this useful phrase clearly.
Lay out a blanket means to open up a folded blanket and place it flat on the ground.
Yes, you unfold the cloth blanket and spread it smooth on the grass so you can sit down nicely.
My favorite picnic blanket is yellow and blue. It has a thick plastic bottom so water from the wet ground does not come through.
It is so important that the bottom stops the water. If the grass is wet, a thin cloth blanket gets wet very fast.
Exactly. So I lay out a blanket on the dry grass and then we sit down comfortably.
Do you keep your picnic blanket in your car or in your closet at home?
I keep mine near the front door in a small bag. That way I can grab it quickly when the sun comes out.
That is very smart. Having a ready picnic bag makes going to the park so easy.
It really does. I also put 2 small pillows in the bag for comfort.
And if the afternoon sun gets too hot, what should we do?
We sit in the shade.
Sit in the shade. Remember, shade is the cool area under a tree or umbrella where the sun does not shine directly.
Yes, to sit in the shade means to rest in that cool area so the sun does not hurt your skin.
I love to sit in the shade on warm summer days. It feels so much cooler under a thick tree.
Me too. I can sit in the shade and read a book for hours without feeling tired.
Reading a good book in the shade is so calm and nice. Do you like to listen to music while you sit in the shade?
Oh yes, soft guitar music sounds so nice when I sit in the shade on a warm afternoon.
But outdoor picnics sometimes have small problems, like strong wind.
Oh yes, light things can easily blow away.
Blow away means to be moved or carried through the air by the wind.
Light things like paper cups, paper napkins, or plastic bags can blow away easily when a wind comes.
How do you stop your paper napkins from blowing away when you eat outside?
I place a heavy water bottle or a smooth stone right on top of the paper napkins. That way, they never blow away.
That is a super helpful tip. A heavy stone works so well.
Yes, I also put heavy apples or drinks on my paper plates so they do not blow away either.
Smart idea. Empty paper plates can blow away across the grass very fast if you do not watch them.
Yes. Now, what about our 5th phrase, come over?
Come over means to walk, run, or move across a short distance to the place where someone is standing or sitting.
Right. If you are sitting on the grass and you see your friend, you can wave your hand and call out, "Hey, come over here and sit with us."
Yes. Or if a friendly dog walks toward your picnic spot, you can say, "Look, a cute dog is coming over."
Exactly. It is a very natural phrase that people say every day when they speak English.
And our sixth phrase for today is share a snack.
Share a snack means to give some of your food to another person so you can eat together.
A snack is a small amount of food eaten between regular meals, like fruits, nuts, or chips.
Yes, when you share a snack with a friend, you make them feel happy and welcome.
I love to share a snack with my friends when we sit in the park.
What is your favorite food to bring when you want to share a snack with friends, Mia?
I love to bring sweet chocolate cookies or fresh grapes. Grapes are so clean and easy to share a snack with everyone.
Me too. Now, Mia, I have a quick question for you. It is time for our O moment.
Ooh, I love guessing games. What is the question today, Ryan?
Guess what percentage of people say that fresh fruit is their favorite snack to eat at a picnic?
Is it 40%?
Higher than that.
Is it 60%?
Even higher. The real answer is 75%. 3 out of 4 people say fresh fruit like watermelon is their top choice for a picnic snack.
Wow, 75%. That makes total sense because fresh fruit is sweet and cool on a warm day.
Absolutely. Cold watermelon is truly the best park snack.
All right, Ryan, you explained all those phrases so clearly. Now it is time for your practical challenge.
Oh boy, I am ready. Let's try the 6 real-life situations.
Situation number 1. You are at a crowded beach on a Saturday with 3 close friends. Everyone is carrying heavy bags. You see a quiet spot on the sand near a green palm tree. What do you say using our hero phrase?
I would drop my heavy bag, point to the sand, and say, "Hey guys, look over there. Let's pick a spot under that big palm tree before someone else takes it."
Perfect answer. You used pick a spot very well. What if that space is already taken by another group?
Then I would look toward the water and say, "No problem. Let's pick a spot closer to the blue water instead."
Haha, great. Situation number 2. You and your sister arrive at a green park. Your hands are full of heavy juice bottles and snack boxes. Your sister is holding the blue blanket. What do you ask her to do?
I would look at her and say, "Hey sis, my arms are tired. Can you please lay out a blanket on the grass right here so I can put these heavy bottles down?"
Great! You used lay out a blanket correctly. Situation number 3. It is 2 o'clock on a hot, sunny day. Your face is getting very hot from the sun. You see a wooden bench under a large green umbrella. What do you say?
I would wipe my forehead and say, "Whew, I am getting so hot in the sun. Let me go sit in the shade on that bench for a few minutes."
Great! You used sit in the shade. What if that umbrella bench is wet from rain?
Then I would point to a big tree nearby and say, "Let's go sit in the shade under those tree branches instead."
Very smart response. Situation number 4. You are sitting at an outdoor table drinking cold lemonade. Suddenly, a strong wind blows past. Your paper napkin and paper hat start flying into the air. What do you yell?
I would grab my glass and shout, "Oh no, quick, grab your things. My paper hat and napkin are about to blow away."
So funny and correct. You used blow away. Situation number 5. You are resting on a park bench reading a book. You look up and see your neighbor Sarah walking her little white dog on the path. You want her to join you. What do you call out to her?
I would stand up, wave my hand, and shout, "Hey Sarah, come over here and sit with me. I want to meet your cute puppy."
That is right. You used come over. Situation number 6. You are sitting at a picnic table at school. You have a plastic container full of sweet red strawberries. Your friend forgot his lunch bag at home and looks very hungry. What do you say to him?
I would slide the container across the table with a warm smile and say, "Don't worry, my friend. I have a lot of strawberries today. Let's share a snack together."
Wow, Ryan, 6 out of 6. You did a great job on the whole challenge.
Thank you, Mia. Daily practice really makes a big difference.
We had so much fun today talking about our sunny park adventure.
We really did. Let's do a quick final review of our 6 useful phrases before we say goodbye.
First, our hero phrase for today, pick a spot.
Pick a spot, to choose a good place to sit down, rest, or stay.
Second, lay out a blanket.
Lay out a blanket, to open up a folded blanket and place it flat on the ground.
Third, sit in the shade.
Sit in the shade, to rest or stay under a tree or umbrella out of direct sunlight.
Fourth, blow away.
Blow away, to be moved or carried into the air by the wind.
Fifth, come over.
Come over, to walk, run, or move toward a person or a place.
Sixth, share a snack.
Share a snack, to eat small pieces of food together with your friends.
Now here is your easy mouth task to try tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow when you walk outside with a friend, point to a nice tree or bench and say out loud, "Let's pick a spot in the shade."
Say that sentence out loud 3 times so your brain remembers it easily.
That is all for today's episode. Have a great day outdoors, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.